In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create engaging social media ads in Canva. Start by choosing a template size for Instagram, Facebook, Stories, or Reels so your design fits each platform perfectly. Pick a layout that matches your brand's tone, clean and bold for products or colorful and energetic for launches and events. Next, customize the template with your branding. Add your logo, apply your brand colors, and use consistent fonts to make your ads recognizable. If you have a Canva brand kit, use it to keep everything cohesive and speed up your workflow. Then focus on your visuals. Choose high-quality, attention-grabbing photos or graphics that clearly show your product or highlight the results you want viewers to imagine. Crop tightly to remove distractions and leave space for text. If needed, use Canva's background remover to make your subject stand out. Write short, benefit-focused text. Start with a strong headline that tells viewers what they gain. Add a brief supporting line and a clear call to action like "Shop now" or "Learn more." Keep it easy to read on mobile by using clean hierarchy and avoiding clutter. To make your ad more dynamic, add subtle animations or short video clips. Canva's text and element animations can add motion without overwhelming your design. If you use music, try AI beat sync so your video automatically matches the rhythm for a polished effect. Keep your overall layout simple. Social feeds move fast, so limit your colors, avoid overcrowding, and ensure the main message is clear within the first second. Before downloading, preview your design to check timing, readability, and how it looks with sound off. Make sure no text is too close to platform overlays. Once everything looks good, export your ad in the recommended format, and you're ready to publish confidently.